Hello everyone! Today I'll be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium for March 2020. Let's begin. Okay. So when you first open it, you should have a card that tells you what's inside. It looks like I did not get the card that tells you what's inside. Got this ad for makeup remover. Okay, but if you don't get the card, you can always go on their website or the product's websites to find out how much the product retails for. So the first product I see is a Lavido Age Away Replenishing Cream. So this is not relevant to me. It's not a product that I'll be using, so I will be probably giving it away to someone. But if you go to the Boxycharm website, the price that this retails for is $69. Okay. The next product is this Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. So this retails for $38. Okay. This is what it looks like. And it looks like it comes with this spatula thing that's magnetic. Just sticks on there. It's pretty cool. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's a pretty thick consistency. Okay. Okay. Let's go on to the next product. The next product is this Nude Stick Magnetic Lip Flush Paint. And this retails for $28. So let's see what it looks like. It's a Waikiki rose color. So it's a pinkish color. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. The next product is this Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volumizing Mascara. And this retails for $26. The next product are these Opulent Beauty brushes. According to the website, these retail for $40. So that's what they look like. Okay. They're pretty soft. Okay. And the last item in the box is a product that I chose for the month of March, because you can choose one item in your box. It's the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold Retro. And the retail value of this is $24. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's see what the swatch of it looks like. It's a pretty rose gold color. I love rose gold. It's so pretty. Okay, and that was the last item in the box. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.